Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2024 and up Ford F150 and we've installed a 30-inch Pro Series light bar. I want to show you exactly how much light you get with this product. So these are your factory low beams. These are your factory high beams. You can see in the distance some of the trees got lit up. And this is the 30-inch light bar. The Pro Series light bar has larger optics, so shoots light further in the distance. So instead of spreading light up close, the light bar is built to really throw light down the trail. It offers powerful white light and amber backglow, daytime running light, that adds a very nice and aggressive look. So you're getting the best of both, a bold amber DRL for daytime driving, and high output white beam that is really performs when it's time to light up the road. So once again, these are your factory low beams, these are your factory high beams, and this is a 30-inch Pro Series light bar. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out our step-by-step installation instruction video so that way you guys can get the confidence that you need to install this product yourself.